everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Bentley's cooking show video. We're going to be making today maple cinnamon trail mix. This, I saw Tyler Braun make this yesterday or the day before on his Vlogmas channel, and it looked so delicious that I thought we would give it a try. So let's get started. We're going to take, this is what the ingredients are. You have approximately a cup. I bought this just this size. So it's about a cup of raw walnuts, a cup of raw almonds, a cup of papitas, and a cup of cranberries. These are dehydrated cranberries or whatever this is. Sweetened and dried cranberries. You also need some really good maple syrup, cinnamon stick, or you can use ground cinnamon. For ground cinnamon, you're going to use a teaspoon. We're going to use 1 stick ground up just to make it even stronger. And then 1.5 teaspoons salt and 3 tablespoons of the maple syrup. So I'm going to pour my nuts into a bowl. And this is the only clear bowl I had. So I'm going to put all 3 of the nuts in here. It's not a very good bowl. I may end up switching them to a wider bowl for better stirring. In fact, I think I am. I was going to put them in here so you guys could see it, but that's not going to work out because it's going to be too hard to stir. This one's much bigger and much better. Pour all those in there. And then I'm going to pour my, okay guys, a little story here. It's now 2 days later from when I started this. I did finish that one, but I had internet issues. My phone wouldn't film anymore because my house internet ran out of data for the month. That was on Saturday. And so I was using my phone data, and I guess there were too many clouds because it just kept turning off. So I didn't get to finish that video, this video. So, and we've already eaten half of it. But anyways, we're gonna finish it now because I made a new batch. So I'm just gonna, and these just are cooled off. You get them out of the oven and they're kind of stuck together, but you just kind of stir them up and get them loosened up again. But they're completely cool. They cool really fast too. But I don't like chunks, so I like to break them all up. And then we're going to add our cranberries. Whoa. I might have let them cool a little too long. It's easier to do it with my hands so it doesn't fall off the pan. Anyways, it's not very sticky because they've crystallized like so, and it is so good. We love it. So I have made some bags for gifts. I'm going to give these to certain people. I'm not going to name them because they are probably going to watch. And this is what the bags look like. They're going to get that and a vanilla because I made a ton of vanilla, more than I'll ever need. And I made them as gifts and I just don't know who I'm going to give them to. Anyways, so once you got that all broken up, you go in with your cranberries. And I'm just going to put the whole thing in there and then mix them up. You can use a spoon if you want, but my pan isn't big enough to keep them from falling off. So I'm just going to mix them like this. And since I already have my others bagged, I'm just going to put these in my bowls. And it is so good. So good. I will eat one for you. Gotta get some cranberry in there too though. It's just so good. All right. I'm gonna put this in a bowl, take it upstairs, and we're gonna eat this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It sure was a pain in the butt. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.